If your Google Drive files seem to be disappearing, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to find missing files, restore them if they were deleted, and check the most common reasons why they may look like they vanished. This is a super helpful guide whether you use Google Drive on your browser or on desktop, and it can save you a lot of time when files are nowhere to be found. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive and use the search bar at the top. This is one of the simplest ways to locate a file that looks missing. Type in the file name if you remember it, or search by file type like PDF, JPG, DOCX, or anything else you know about the file. A lot of the time, files are not actually gone at all. They've just been moved into a different folder, or they're hiding somewhere you weren't expecting. Searching by name or type can instantly bring them back. Next, check all the main Google Drive sections. Start with My Drive, then look at Recent, Shared with Me, and Trash. Each of these places can hold files that seem missing at first glance. My Drive is where your personal files are usually stored. Recent can help if the file was opened or edited recently. Shared with Me is important if someone else owns the file and shared it with you. And Trash is one of the biggest places to check because deleted files are not always permanently removed right away. If you find the file in Trash, restoring it is easy. Open Trash, right-click the file and select Restore. Once restored, it should return to its original location in Google Drive. This is especially useful if a file was deleted by accident, or if someone else with access to the file removed it without realizing. Restoring from Trash is often the quickest fix for disappearing files. Now let's check the activity panel because this can tell you exactly what happened. Select any file or folder, then click the small information icon, usually shown as an I for View Details. From there, open the Activity tab. This is where you can see who moved, deleted, or edited files and when those changes happened. If a file disappeared because it was moved to another location or removed by another person, the Activity panel can help you trace it. This is one of the most useful troubleshooting steps when you're trying to figure out what happened behind the scenes. If you use Google Drive for desktop, there's another important step. Refresh the sync. Sometimes files look like they're missing because the desktop app hasn't updated properly. To do this, click the Google Drive icon in your system tray, then go to the gear icon and choose Quit. After that, open Google Drive again and let it resync. This can fix display issues, missing file sync problems, and folders that don't seem to match what you see online. Another very common reason files appear to disappear is that you're signed into the wrong Google account. If you use multiple Gmail accounts, this happens all the time. Click your profile picture and verify that you're using the correct account connected to the files you're looking for. Sometimes the file is still there, but it belongs to a different account, so it won't show up where you expect it. Now, let's quickly go over the most common causes. Files may have been accidentally moved to another folder. Ownership for shared files may have changed. Sync problems may be causing delays or missing items, or you may simply be logged into the wrong account. These are the main reasons people think Google Drive files are disappearing when, in reality, the files are usually still recoverable. If you're still not seeing the file after checking all of that, go back and search using a few different keywords, file types, or folder names. It's also worth asking collaborators if they moved or deleted anything. And if the file was shared with you, remember that the original owner may have removed access. That's it for this guide on how to fix Google Drive files disappearing. The key is to search carefully, check every section, restore from Trash when needed, review activity, refresh sync on desktop, and confirm you're using the right Google account. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.